Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to add a new shift in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the HR menu from the main menu on the left-hand side navigation panel. Within this section, click on the Master submenu. From the list of available options, select the Shift submenu. This will open the Shift Master page, where all existing shifts configured in the system are displayed. From here, you also have the option to create new shifts as per your organizational requirements. Once you are on the Shift Master page, locate the Add button at the top of the screen. Clicking this button will open a pop-up window where you can define the details of the new shift. In the pop-up, start by entering the title of the shift. Next, enter the start time and end time, which define the core working hours for the shift. You will also need to fill in the late after and early before fields. These settings determine when the system should mark an employee as late or leaving early. Enter the location for the shift and select the appropriate status. If the shift is a night shift, toggle the night shift option to yes. Finally, enter the shift hours. These details help enforce time-based attendance policies and ensure compliance with organizational guidelines. After entering all the required information, review the details carefully to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to successfully add the new shift to the Shift Master. That's it! You now know how to create a new shift in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.